What? Oh, cool. So you wanna take partials around this and wait, let me check. Yeah, this low is again nothing, right? It just swept the IOFED, built imbalance, induced people to break out sells. For some people, this could be a choke. The algorithm doesn't care whether it's a choke on 1 second or 1 hour, right? It's all fractal. So even if you're saying no one's trading chokes on a change of character on 1 second, you know, it works all the same. Doesn't matter. It's all fractal. So this would be again your inducement low, same as this. And you're sweeping this liquidity, okay? I think this high is gonna go as well. There's still imbalance above. But yeah. So what was the next? 11:30? No, 8, 11, 12:30. 12:30 is our next cycle, right? Let's see. 12 to New York Open. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so again, this is our liquidity point, and if the price sweeps this in this interval, it's completely valid to take a trade from. So okay, let's hope it. Okay, it does. Oh, I see how it's perfect, and it's now filling the imbalance. I'll try to hide this somewhere. Yeah, this is fine. So it just swept this imbalance, right? And tapping in our POI again, and this could have been a buy, but as I said before, we just want to buy below here. So yeah. Oh, and this guy probably hit break even, so let's take this out. Wait. Okay. All right, so the sell here would be possible easily if there's an opportunity here. Okay, even sweeping this. Let's see. Okay, sweeping the slit point as well. And yeah, okay, just mitigating the orders. Nothing crazy. Okay, still mitigating the orders, sweeping nothing. And now, okay, still mitigating the orders. Okay, this is scary, man. What the hell? Yeah, okay, sweeping all of this. So we would probably hit break even here. And continuing down. Okay, so 90-minute cycle failed for us. And yeah, let's just play it out. Okay, I set the inducement low, right? Also mitigating this, and again you can take buys here, ping ponging this, but this range is too small for me. It's like 20 pips, so it's not really worth it. But okay, 1 sec please. Okay, sorry. So what was that? Oh yeah, I said that if we have some mitigation here, we can ping pong it back and try to get out, for example, on this point to this build up, right? Let me check. Yeah, trying to fill this imbalance or anything in this 50% range for continuation sell. But there's no target anymore here, and it's just a healthy order flow. Also, this could be an imbalance as well. This candle right here, I'll deal with all of this. So yeah, so let's play it out. Okay. What's this? All right. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Okay. Price continuing lower. Nothing crazy. We have New York open. A few minutes. Let's play it till then. Yeah. Okay. So, oh, okay. Price is filling this imbalance above, right? Below. Okay. And let's play it out. Okay, so it's New York open. I call this trap New York open because you can expect some kind of manipulation here. So it's gonna either be this or this, sweeping the highs or sweeping the low, and continuing to the opposite side, right? And the other reason for this to be swept would be this sell to buy. Simpler. So we have 2 points we want to take trades from, either here or here. And this is 50%, right? Oh, this would be a whole range, my bad. And this like extreme pricing for you to take trades from as well. So this Gucci. Now let's play it. Wait, so New York Open is happening right now. So 90-minute cycle starts from New York Open as well, like the new cycle, and it's 90-minute, right? So yeah. So if it sweeps during this, so I'm expecting it sweeping during this time zone, then it's a valid trade. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Okay. Did sweep, not yet. Yeah. Okay. Now it swept it and had a quick reaction right away. So this was your sell side liquidity. Was a sell. Oh, sell side liquidity. New York Open manipulating people up right here. Buyers. So as I mentioned before, what does it mean for you? This high does nothing, right? You can say it's mitigating this, but it's inside your trap timing. And this would just be your inducement high for future to be swept. And same goes for this in the future. If it goes up from here, then this is going to be a liquidity point as well. So can you take like buy without any confirmation here? Of course you can, but I'm trying to show you the safest way of trading to keep your win rate as high as possible. So we can take a mitigation here, or I mean, can we? Yeah, I mean, I don't think it will mitigate, but yeah, okay. But yeah, so our next target could be either this point or this, right? This can be overflow. So yeah, and there's still small imbalance within here. And also, wait, let's see. Yeah, okay. I wanted to say this is imbalance as well for you, this guy, but no. And you had lit as well as your liquidity. There's a ton of liquidity here. Even this is lit. You always take the extreme, right? And if this doesn't hold, then this is our place to sell. So, and it's in good pricing, pretty much 60-70% as well. So we can wait for that to be swept. Or, as I said before, this would be your inducement low as well, because this low did nothing here. Again, it didn't tap into any order. It didn't tap into the sell to buy. It just filled the imbalance, induced people, induced breakout traders to take sells from here, induced SNC people to think that this is a break of structure or something. And you can say smart money courses teach you that a wick is not a break of structure, but the algorithm doesn't care whether it's a wick or it's a candle. If it's a sweep, it's a sweep, nothing else, right? So I want to take entry here, but this is now liquidity. Tapping here, nothing, no inducement. So no IPA, right? So if price if you see price reversing like this, I mean, you should ask yourself, what exactly did it go up for, right? And you see nothing. You're just some little liquidity points, right? But nothing. And you know it's gonna be either imbalance that it's seeking for, or orders, or some big kind of liquidity pool. But liquidity usually comes with imbalance. So yeah, so this is not really convincing for me. Also, you will most probably have a reaction of this level, but that's just to know. Yeah, we'll see. And if you understand lower time frame like this and see one hour time frame the same, then you've mastered higher time frame. So okay, you have this imbalance, nothing. Okay, continues down, and you know that this high, that this high is again filling nothing, and also I think 30. Okay, no, never mind. Okay. It's not a good place to take trades. It's not a good place to take a sell. You want to wait for this low to be swept, and now tapping into this, right? And after that, you can expect some kind of bullish overflow in. So POI, and let's see. Oh, it didn't sweep. The hell? Okay. Yeah, I didn't expect this to hold. Okay, we're sweeping the inducement high as you expected. And now, again, taking out the buy side liquidity exactly in our time interval, which is a good conclusion again for you to confirm that this will be most probably a reversal, a valid reversal, which is sub liquidity with sub imbalance. We have order flow right here, but of course we can go here, not up here. That doesn't happen too often, but like 50% of this. So yeah. So and now you can take whatever trade you wanna take. So you can take mitigation 2.5 pip, and again this low did nothing. Yeah, this is the same low as before. This low did nothing, just inducing people, all right? And you can see sniper effects using this as well. You know, the basic just buy side liquidity, go up, like break this, and then this is liquidity. Even for some people it might be a strong high, strong low, but that concept doesn't work really well. It's really subjective, you know. It's good sometimes to look for POIs that sweep liquidity and then break below, but most of the time it's just an inducement high that's going to be taken out in the future. Okay, so did we? Okay. Okay. And I still want to take a trade from here, or even in the extreme, as this is IPA again. This would be your lit point, all right? But you can take trade anywhere. You can even put a buy limit, sell limit here. It's like 4 pip stop loss, and you can hello Santo, and you can, and if you're ballsy, you can target the low, right? but there is no guarantee that this low will not hold, you know. It can just bounce off this and fly back since we are in the 4-hour POI. So let's see what's happening. Okay, 14. So this is our last cycle of 90-minute cycle. And yeah, okay. That's not really a super liquidity. Okay, that is though. Feeling the imbalance as well. Yeah, okay. And this is perfect for you. Again, this is how I trade personally, okay? But I'll try to find a confirmation entry for you. Damn. Okay, I missed all of this. I'm so stupid. But you could have taken mitigations of this. And yeah, so what was our first? Yeah, so the sell idea was here, right? Before. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, we're sweeping the low. And now it would be pretty valid to take buys from here if it gives us some reaction, you know, like a lit point or something. Yeah, yeah, okay. Okay. So all those cells, if we just do partials hold, big cells. There's nothing here anymore. There's nothing to take trades from. So that's why I'm saying this was a really bad day to trade. Yeah, so like the other place for reversal you could look at is this was all swept already. This, and now you can even maybe look at this low because this is imbalance as well. But let's see. Yeah. So, but I don't think there's anything else to do in a price action like this. Yeah. Super low, nothing continues to build up. Okay, sweeps all of this. Okay. Okay, nothing. There's nothing to look at here. And now we're tapping into the imbalance almost. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And this is London close. Again, there's a possibility for reversal at that point of time, but not guaranteed, right? It's not an everyday confluence. As they say, time and price, timing is on like 20% of the whole thing, of the whole edge. So we can skip this day as well. And I'll try to back this one more day for you. Let's skip the Asian as well. Yeah, wait, let me check this. Chat. Okay. Okay, so it just broke the low on, yeah, okay. So, I mean, yeah, so you just trade from what Asian gives you, as you have nothing to trade from on the left. But yeah, let's see. Let's skip the Asian. Yeah, okay. Oh, good. Okay. What did the Asian do again? So let's see. Okay. So first you look at liquidity, right? Or even on higher time frame, you know that we are bearish, and yeah, and on 1 hour most probably, like most of this is imbalance. Or on 4 hour, I take this whole thingy as your imbalance. I take this 50% you wanna trade off of the imbalance as well. Nothing wrong with that. But you need to understand what the Asian did, because how London will behave will depend on how Asian behaved, right? And even Frankfurt. So This is the same thing that happened again this week, right? Just on different time frame. This is 5 minute. On last week was like 15-minute time frame. You had the build up from both sides, and again this composite structure as well, because you might have, if you had something from the left and something from the right, some kind of order flow, but there was nothing here, then if it takes out one side, it's gonna take out the other side as a result, right? So yeah, bearish, yeah, bullish, or we could expect some bullishness. And yeah, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. The day before, then we had bearish Asian, right? This is bearish as well, but we had, as I said, that's called algo structure, and it's like something like this. You know, it makes liquidity, then it sweeps, it continues to outflow, makes liquidity, breaks, and then sweeps again, and that is a really strong trend for you, you know. But this, what's happening now is that we just have price going down, going down, going down, and nothing. This is just engineering of liquidity. And see, so we have one build up right here, one build up right here, right? This one, and yeah, this was taken out, and we are looking for some bullish signs. Okay, this is pre-Frankfurt. I don't trade pre-Frankfurt. It's messy, you know. After Asia, you have Sydney session, right? Or it's just the end of Sydney. It starts like within Asia. So, but it's like Frankfurt. It has a lot of manipulations. You don't want to trade these. Yeah, let's see. Okay, you have a build up from above, same as build up from below, and Frankfurt's gonna tell you which side's gonna go. Okay, nothing. Okay. Okay. So you're manipulating the highs, the buy side, and this could be considered Frankfurt manipulation as well. So this didn't sweep. Okay, so the first manipulation is this. All right, most probably if this breaks below, wait, okay, so if this breaks below this, then it was a manipulation to the upside, right? And again, inducement high. We always have this liquidity for nothing. Okay, so this is pretty much a break of structure on internal point of view. So you can take a buy here, honestly. I'll sell here, my bad. You can do this. You can sell limit right here. All right. I mean, this is our entry model, right? So again, what's happening? We had a manipulation up somewhere. Okay, Frankfurt manipulation, sweeping liquidity. This was the liquidity. And we also are mitigating some kind of order flow or POI, whatever. So you see transferring here, and oh, this is a good example as well. You know, this was your OB, right, or whatever, and you see the mitigation was not deep enough. It's like not even 50%, and the price has taken it out and mitigated deeper. So this is you should notice these details because the same thing is happening on 1 hour, and again, that's how you master a higher time frame as well. So you can take sell here, stop loss. This is unlit, okay? And the next confluence is Frankfurt manipulation, entry model, and IPA as the strongest confluence of all. And you can target this low, this sell side liquidity. Oh. All right, let's see. Wait, is it? Oh, yeah. 9:30. So we want price manipulating this before. Oh, okay. Yeah, it seems like we won't have our entry right there. Yeah, that's fine. He didn't expect this, really. Okay. So yeah, you have London open soon as well. You don't wanna enter like before before session openings. It's just gonna manipulate you out. And now you have this buy side liquidity. Nothing, a little imbalance here, but I don't think this is important now. Yeah, so mhm, mhm. Okay. Anyway, let's go. Okay. This is your lead point as well, but there's no clear manipulation yet. And okay, we might be missing out on buys here, but you want to be safe. Better be safe than sorry, right? You have a build up here. Nothing crazy. Just okay. Okay. So okay, this is your manipulation. So your first manipulation was up, inducing early buyers up in the market, and this was your second manipulation. And if it ends here, of course, if it reverses from here, it can even continue lower, right? But this is your second manipulation during London. And again, this is the same thing as before inducement high. We had buy side liquidity, let's say here, right? Price was taking it out. I mean, pretty much mitigated something here, but it did nothing. Okay, this just shows you. I mean, you have buy side liquidity, price goes up, takes this out. This just show this. The reason they're doing this is just to take out early buyers, and that means that they want to buy themselves, right? So they pretty much want to save the liquidity for themselves. That's why this is happening a lot of times, a lot, like usually. But okay, we have this wick. Let's clear all of this. I don't like setups like this, again, as we have nothing to trade from on the left, but you know, you see this price action, you see this, I mean, this inefficient price action, and you can take trade anywhere from here. So if you don't want to miss out, a buy here will be fine. 6 pip stop loss. I mean, let's do 5 pip stop loss. And let's do this. Yeah, so this is just a risk entry. If you want a smaller stop loss, you can wait for confirmation, of course. Yeah. Okay, so now we are indeed clearing this liquidity point, and I want to test something out. Yeah, 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 exactly, in our 18-minute interval as well. So I mean, if so if you saw someone taking trade like this, you know why now. Yeah, exactly. You know why it happens like this. This was our lead point, by the way. You forgot. I mean, all those trades are explainable, right? It taps into our big POI. I said unfilled wicks are sell to buys with imbalance. So there are good POIs as well. And our Zoom is ending in 10 minutes. But you can, and now you can target anything here, okay? You can yeah, you can pretty much target the high here. Or even if you hope for a reversal, then it's fine to target even 50% of the 4-hour imbalance, or at least this. As you see clearly, this is yeah, this is a lit point, right? Left off. You have imbalance in here. This could be a like good POI for some kind of reaction, but I don't think it will stop here. Well, that doesn't matter right now. So let's play it out. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. So did we have news or something? Wait. No news? Okay. Okay, that's weird. So we are just filling this imbalance right now. And all those places are places you could look for a POI and a place for a reversal or a pullback if you want to ping pong the price, right? But as I said before, we are targeting this. So let's do this. Okay, we have some kind of reaction right here. Okay, nothing crazy. Let's keep this small. Okay, this low did nothing, honestly. It just, 50% of imbalance happens a lot. Yeah, like 40%. It did nothing to the left. So this is gonna be taken out. And this high, it did react to something, but just after this candle, yeah, you should be pretty sure that the price is bullish, like super bullish. But you want to position yourself in this price, in this pricing, not chase the market. There's still big inefficient price action. Even if it doesn't come back today, it's like 8 pip of imbalance, or 9 pips of imbalance. So yeah, in the future, a buy here is easy. All right, London open. So so we are most probably gonna take this all out now. Asian high as well. Okay. Okay, or maybe not. Well, happens. And now, okay. I need to know what happened here. So yeah, this week. I mean, this is a lit point for you as well, right? Which would be like so. Oh man, but this happens rarely, if ever. So it reacted off the lit and tapping into the last buy to sell. Okay, this is weird, but you still have imbalance right here, all right? And then you have this weird wick, I mean, in the middle of nowhere. You don't know where it came from or why it's there. So it's liquidity, obviously, and you can take trades anywhere from here. And this is the last buy to sell. POI. Okay, this is risky because we could still be bullish, but yeah, we need some losses as well. So let's do this. Pricing, yeah, everything lining up perfectly. And yeah, so you take trade right here, stop loss right here, 3 pip stop loss, and target right here. And low, or if you're scared, put this here to the last point of inefficient price action right here. So let's see how it all goes. Price filling imbalance. Let's try the 90-minute cycle again. I love it. It's working really well for me. So till 11. Yeah, okay. So if this was your, no, okay. Okay, so it seems nothing now. Okay, and it's okay. Okay, and we just over-refined our entry, I think. Dang. Let's just play it out. Oh, or okay, we just over-refined our entry. Oh, that's bad. Happens. But you can still take a trade here. This would be a lit point on 1 minute. Okay. Just for the content, I'm gonna risk it. Yeah. And sell side would be here, or even this could be your TP if you want to play it safe. So take this out. Is it a POI? Oh, okay. Oh, it's filling the imbalance. Perfect. So yeah. Yeah, so that's our first TP, second TP right here. Yeah. Okay, this is so easy. For example, this is easier to trade after establishing the range. But before that, it's just gambling if you wanna trade anywhere here. So this was a liquidity point, right? The low that did nothing again, not even inducement low, it induced nothing. And oh, okay, so oh, and that's what I wanted to share with you as well, because you know, so if you are on Instagram actively, you could have seen, you might have seen that some people are calling this an inducement, and just being close-minded and calling this inducement, they don't really they're just limiting themselves, because if this is an inducement, what exactly is price inducing, right? This would be our POI. It's just liquidity, man. And I don't know if you know Choki, Jason, the Choki dude, but 3 candle, yeah. Yeah, well, that depends from the course to course, but if you know Choki, right, he once posted on his Instagram, asking people like what this is, right? And if you call it inducement, it's wrong, and it's right. So inducement should be a run up to, for example, this, sweeping this and going down. This is an inducement. This is inducing people to buy. So get it right, please. So I mean, if someone's calling liquidity above POI an inducement, then you should get away from him. So yeah. Okay. Okay, 1 minute, please. I need to turn my TV on for my brother. Oh, and the Zoom call is ending as well, so I'm gonna send a new link.